Welcome to Bestsellers Market. Today, we're diving into a countdown of the best-selling heating, ventilation, and air conditioning products on Amazon. These top picks are guaranteed to enhance your home comfort and efficiency. Without any delay, let's get started and explore the most popular HVAC products that everyone is raving about. Let's dive right in and explore our number 5 pick, the 2-2-pack Flying Insect Screen RV Furnace Vent Cover. This ingenious product ensures your RV's furnace and water heater remain protected from unwanted intruders. Here's why this product stands out. You get not one, but 2 packs of these stainless steel mesh vent covers, each meticulously designed to keep out flying insects, mice, and even birds. The package also includes 2 spring hooks and a handy installation tool, making setup a breeze. Measuring 2.8 inches in diameter and 1.8 inches in height, these screens fit most duotherm and suburban furnace vents perfectly. With each mesh grid at just 0.3 inches, you can be confident that no pests will sneak through while ensuring minimal airflow restriction. Durability is key, and 2-2 delivers. Made from robust stainless steel, these screens are built to last, standing up to the elements and the test of time. Installing them is a snap, thanks to the included spring hooks and installation tool. You'll have them up and protecting your RV's vents in no time, giving you peace of mind as you travel. Ready to shield your RV's furnace and water heater from pesky intruders? The 2-2-pack Flying Insect Screen RV Furnace Vent Cover is the reliable solution you've been looking for. Next up, at number 4 on our countdown of the best-selling heating, ventilation, and air conditioning products on Amazon, we have the impressive RV Fridge Fan by Beach Lane. This isn't just any ordinary fridge fan. Boasting a high-power 3,000 revolutions per minute motor, this patented device outperforms competitors that only offer 700 revolutions per minute. This means more power, more cooling, and ultimately, more freshness for your food. Durable construction ensures it stands the test of time, backed by patent D1034947. What sets this fan apart? Its proprietary spiderweb top design, meticulously engineered for optimal airflow. This upgrade ensures your fridge circulates the maximum amount of cold air, keeping your perishables cool and safe. And it's incredibly user-friendly. With a simple on and off switch, you can easily control the fan's operation, conserving battery life when needed. No complicated settings, just straightforward functionality. But there's more. This product comes with a lifetime warranty and top-notch USA-based customer service. If the fan ever falters or gets damaged, you're covered. Unlike competitors, Beach Lane stands by their product for life. RV refrigerators are notorious for poor air circulation, leading to uneven cooling and spoiled food. The Beach Lane RV Fridge Fan addresses this issue head-on, making it an essential accessory for any RV owner. Enhance your RV living experience with the powerful and reliable Beach Lane RV Fridge Fan, ensuring your fridge stays cool and your food stays fresh. Now, let's move to number 3 in our top-selling heating, ventilation, and air conditioning products on Amazon. The Sicadir RV Vent Insulator 14 X14X3. This versatile skylight cover is a game-changer for your RV or camper. Stay comfortable year-round with the Sicadir RV Skylight insulation cover. It effectively blocks air and heat exchange between the inside and outside, ensuring your camper warms up quickly in winter and cools down efficiently in summer. This results in significant energy savings and a more comfortable living space. Perfectly designed to fit 14-inch skylights, this insulator measures 14x14x3. Its universal size makes it an ideal fit for standard RV skylights, provided the skylight sidewalls are vertical and not curved. Installation is a breeze. The insulator's inner layer is made from a highly elastic sponge, allowing you to simply insert it into the vent for quick setup. It's equally easy to remove, making daily use and cleaning incredibly convenient. The Sicadir insulator boasts efficient thermal insulation. Its double-layer aluminum foil bubble surface reflects an impressive 97% of radiant heat. Combined with a 3-inch thick insulation sponge inside, this design ensures your RV remains well insulated and energy efficient. Additionally, the upgraded non-slip design features silicone particles covering all 4 sides of the insulator. This ensures a stable fit on the skylight, eliminating worries about it slipping off. Enhance your RV experience with the Sicadir RV Vent Insulator, providing excellent thermal insulation, easy installation, and reliable stability. Enjoy a comfortable and energy-efficient environment no matter the season. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling heating, ventilation, and air conditioning products on Amazon? Well, don't let the cool breeze slip away. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon to keep your comfort levels soaring high. Now, we reach number 2 in our top 5 best-selling heating, ventilation, and air conditioning products on Amazon. Introducing the Camco 14 inches Universal RV, Trailer, Camper, Motorhome Roof Vent Cover, Vent Lid Replacement. This essential replacement part promises to keep your RV in top shape. The Camco Replacement RV Roof Vent Cover is designed for compatibility. It fits most popular roof vents, including Ventline roof vents made before 2008, and Elixir roof vents starting from 1994. Before making your purchase, check the images in the listing to ensure compatibility with your specific vent. Each Camco vent cover measures 14 inches by 14, making it a perfect fit for standard RV roof vents. Durability is key. Manufactured with impact-resistant plastics, these covers are built to last, standing up to the rigors of travel and weather. You can trust that your RV will be protected for the long haul. Ease of installation is another highlight. We understand that getting on the roof of your RV can be daunting, so we've simplified the process. With clear instructions and a user-friendly design, installing this vent cover is as straightforward as it gets. Be sure to explore the Camco Amazon storefront for additional replacement RV parts. You'll find everything you need to keep your RV functioning smoothly. Protect your RV with the reliable and durable Camco 14 inches Universal Roof Vent Cover, making maintenance easier and ensuring your vehicle stays in prime condition. Now, we unveil the number 1 best-selling heating, ventilation, and air conditioning product on Amazon, the Camco Camper RV Vent Insulator and Skylight Cover. This top-rated product is a must-have for any RV owner looking to enhance comfort and efficiency. The Camco Vent Insulator is designed with your comfort in mind. It effectively blocks the sun's harmful rays, keeping your RV cooler during scorching summers and warmer during chilly winters. This insulator not only enhances your comfort, but also boosts your RV's energy efficiency. One of its standout features is the 3-layer protection system. The first layer is reflective, bouncing back the sun's rays. The second layer is made of foam, offering a full 2 3/4 inches of insulation to prevent heat transfer. Finally, the synthetic fleece layer provides additional UV ray protection, ensuring your RV stays at the ideal temperature year-round. Designed to fit standard 14-inch RV vents, this vent insulator is incredibly versatile. It's perfect for motorhomes, travel trailers, fifth wheels, and more. An essential accessory for any RV enthusiast, it effortlessly enhances your RV living experience. Installing the Camco Vent Insulator is simple, ensuring you can quickly start enjoying its benefits. By reducing heat transfer and increasing AC efficiency, it helps you save energy, making your RV more eco-friendly and cost-effective. Upgrade your RV with the Camco Camper RV Vent Insulator and Skylight Cover, the ultimate solution for improved comfort and efficiency. Experience the difference that quality insulation can make, and enjoy every journey in optimal comfort. We hope you enjoyed the countdown of the best-selling heating, ventilation, and air conditioning products on Amazon. To stay updated with all the top sellers, make sure to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for links to all the products we discussed today. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.